My name is Teacher Andrew, and with me, as always, is Teacher
Joanne.
Okay, now, we already covered A, B, and C. So let's do the fourth letter. Teacher Joanne, do you know the fourth letter? It is?
D.
D, that's right. So we did A, we did B, and now it's C as well, and now it's D. Okay. All right, very good. So a big D here. This is capital D, big D, and a small one here. Smaller D, very good. So I will say D, D, and you can say duh, duh. And when I say duh, duh, you can say D, D. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. D, D.
Duh, duh.
Duh, duh.
D, D.
D, D, duh, duh.
Duh, duh, D, D.
Duh, duh, D, D.
D, D, duh, duh.
Very good. Okay, now Teacher Joanne, can you give me some words for D? Some D words? Any ideas?
Dog.
Dog, yes, that's right. Let's put a little dog down here. Everyone say D, duh, dog.
D, duh, dog.
Very good. D, duh, dog. All right. One more time, teacher. D, duh, dog.
D, duh, dog.
Yes. D, O, G, dog. D, duh, dog. Okay, teacher. Any more D words? What else can we have?
Duck.
A duck. Yes, let's put our duck over here. Everyone say D, duh, duck.
D, duh, duck.
All right. Very good. Give him some feet here.
Wow, it's so cute.
It is pretty cute, actually. Yeah, good. Everyone say D, duh, duck.
D, duh, duck.
Yes, D, U, C, K. Very good. Everyone say dog,
Dog,
duck.
duck.
All right, can you give me another D word?
Donut.
Donut, yes, good. A delicious donut. All right. A big hole here in the middle, and we'll put some cream here. Very good to eat. Tian Tian Chen. Everyone say donut,
Donut.
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 All right, so one more time. Dog,
Duck.
donut,
Donut.
dog.
Dog.
All right, any more D words, teacher?
Dinosaur.
A dinosaur, that's right. Let's put our dinosaur down here. All right. A big dinosaur. All right. Diplodocus. This dinosaur is called Diplodocus, also D, okay? All right. We have some spikes in the back there. Good. Everyone say dinosaur.
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 Very good. Dinosaur is D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R. Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
Very nice. Any more D words for us, teacher?
Dolphin.
A dolphin. Very good. Let's put the dolphin up here. A bottlenose dolphin. So, go back here, because his nose looks a bit like a bottle. And up here has a big fin. This is called a fin. Also fin. Goes around here, behind the donut. All right. And then around here. Very good. All right. Very good. Here we go. Everyone say dolphin.
Dolphin.
D-O-L-P-H-I-N. Everyone say dolphin.
Dolphin.
Dolphin, very good. Let's have a review. Duck,
Duck.
dinosaur,
Dinosaur.
dog,
Dog.
donut,
Donuts.
dolphin.
Dolphin.
Yes. How about this one, teacher? If you are sick, you can go to see this person.
Doctor.
A doctor, very good. Let's put him over here near the duck, okay? Good. So, he will have a nice coat like this.
White coat.
Maybe a board here. Yes, that's right. White coat. Usually some glasses. Has to be very smart. And some medical results here.
Yeah.
So you are okay. Good. This is the D-O-C-T-O-R. Everyone say doctor.
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 Very good. How about you? Another one for us, teacher.
Dad.
Dad. Yes, that's right. So let's see. Let's put the dad here.
Father.
Yes, the father. And he can give a ball. Give a ball like my dad gave to me. A soccer ball. And this is me when I'm small. All right, very good. So this one is D-A-D. Everyone say dad.
Dad.
All right, very good. One more, teacher. We have one more.
Date.
Yes, date. Today's date. Now, this one we can say D-A-T-E. Now, what is the month? Yue, what's the month, teacher?
June.
June, that's right. So the day today is June.
6月.
J-U-N-E. And the day is what? What day is it, teacher?
10th.
June 10th. Very good. June 10th. That's right. Good. Everyone say date.
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 So this is today's date. All right, good. Now let's review. Let's review all our words one time. Everyone say D the duck.
D the duck.
Very good. D the doctor.
D the doctor.
D the dad.
D the dad.
D the date.
D the date.
D the dinosaur.
D the dinosaur.
D the dog.
D the dog.
D the donut.
D the donut.
D the dolphin.
D the dolphin.
Yes, when we want to write D, it's 1, 2. Very easy. And the same for small D. 1, 2. Very good. Very easy, okay? So let's draw it again just to show everyone. When we have our lines here for the pencil. For the paper, take your pencil at the top, down, 1, and around, 2. Then around, 1, and down, 2. Very good. Again, D, D.
The,
Da,
D, D.
Very good. Okay, that's all for D, everyone. Please remember to like the video if you liked it and subscribe to Teacher Joanne's YouTube channel. And then you can see all her new videos as they come out.
Yes.
If you have any comments or anything you want us to cover for you, leave it in the comments. Chinese or English is okay. All right. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Teacher Andrew.
Bye-bye, Joanne.
Bye-bye.
Bye, students.